Welcome. This is IMDP AAHL Paper 1, May 2022, Time Zone 2. Question number 1 to 6 has been done in the previous part 3s. So now this is part 4 of the video. Question number 7. Using substitution u equals to secant x, hence or otherwise find an expression for secant x to the power of n and tan x. So what is the substitution? He said u equals to secant x. So du by dx equals to secant x derivative is secant x tan x. So what will be du will become secant x tan x times dx. Now the question. What is the question? Y equals to integral of 0 to pi by 2 secant to the power of nx tan x dx. So secant to the power of nx can be written as secant to the power of n minus 1x times secant x tan x dx. So that I can get it out secant x tan x as du. But before that I should do the substitution for the limits. Lower limit. Lower limit of x is 0. So u equals to secant 0. Secant 0 is going to be nothing but how much? So secant 0 is 1 by cos 0. 1 upon cos, this limit was pi by 3. So 1 upon cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So therefore answer is going to be lower limit is 1. Upper limit u equals to secant pi by 3, 60 degrees. So 1 upon cos 60, cos pi upon 3, which is going to be 2. So what are the limits? Limits are 1 to 2. Now we know that this entire thing is du and this one is u to the power of n minus 1. So what am I going to get it out? Integral of 1 to 2 u power n minus 1 du, which is going to be u power n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 plus 1, which is, and from the limits 1 to 2, u power n upon n from 1 to 2. So plug in the upper limit, u squared by 2 minus substitute u as 2 power n by 2 minus 1 power n by 1. Then I am going to get that answer as 2 power n by 2 minus 1 power 1 is 1, 1 upon 1. But here you have to be very much careful over there. What is that is, instead of doing it u is, I'll just redo this one over here. So I can write it as 1 upon n 2 power n minus 1 power n. So 1 upon n, 2 power n is 2 only, 1 to the power of anything is 1. So answer is going to be 2 power n minus 1 by n. That's going to be the answer. Because n is not 2, you have to plug in u as 2 and u as 1. This is the upper limit and this is the lower limit. So n remains as n only. So that's going to be the answer for 2 power n minus 1 by n for substitution for u equals to secant x and the integral of 0 to pi by 3 secant to the power of nx and tan x dx. See you in the next video. Bye.